Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss Clairaut's equation. What is Clairaut equation? Y equal to x y dash plus f of y is called a Clairaut's equation, and its general solution is y equal to xc plus f of c. Now we'll do few problems. We'll come to know y equal to x y dash minus y dash cube. This is the given problem. Solution is, you see, f of, comparing with the standard equation. What is the standard? Y equal to x y dash plus f of y. So f of y equal to minus y dash cube. So f of c equal to minus c cube. So the solution will be, general solution will be y equal to x. What is y dash? Y dash is c. So xc minus y dash cube. Y dash cube is c cube minus c cube is the solution. That's it. One more problem. See one more problem. It will be clear for us. Problem number 2. Suppose solve Clairaut's equation y equal to x y dash minus 1 by. So what is the general form? What is the general equation? Y equal to x y dash plus f of y dash. F of y dash. So what is f of y dash? Is 1 by minus 1 by y dash. So f of c is minus 1 by c. So general solution will be y into xc plus, here is sign is minus. So minus 1 by c is the answer. One more time, y equal to x y dash minus e to the power of 2 y dash. Solving, comparing with the Clairaut's equation, y equal to x y dash plus f of y dash. What is f of y dash? Minus e to the power of 2y. F of y dash is, so f of c equal to minus e to the power of 2c. So y dash is c. Now the general solution will be y equal to xc minus e to the power of 2c. That is our answer. One more type. Suppose solve y equal to px, y equal to px, y equal to px plus 1 plus p square whole to the power of half. Whole to, so what will be the solution for this? The above is a Clairaut equation. So y equal to x into f dash plus f of y dash. So that means what? Y dash, here y dash is p. So p equal to c. So p equal to c. Putting p equal to c, the general solution is y equal to xc plus 1 plus c square whole to the power of 1 by 2. One more type. These are all simple cases. I am dealing with the simple cases. Solve y equal to p of x minus p plus a by p. This is the given equation. So first we have to adjust y equal to px plus a by p minus p square. Now comparing with the standard Clairaut equations, what it says? What it says? X y dash plus f of y dash. So this is the Clairaut's equation. So therefore, general solution will be, what is the general solution for the Clairaut's equation? Y equal to xc, y equal to xc, y equal to xc plus f of c. So now, putting y equal to p equal to c. Put p equal to c. If we put p equal to c, cx a by c minus c square is the answer. Put p equal to c. It is the Clairaut solution. Suppose the equation is solve xp square minus yp plus a equal to 0. We have to solve this equation. So what is our equation? Xp square yp plus a equal to 0. So I am writing yp equal to a plus xp square. Yp equal to a plus, dividing by p both the side. Y equal to a by p plus xp by p. So y equal to xp plus a by p. Now the Clairaut form is p equal to c. So the general solution equal to xc plus a by c is the answer. Is the Clairaut's. Suppose the problem is like this: x square minus a square of p square minus 2xy xyp plus y square minus b square equal to 0. Solve the Clairaut's equation. So first what we have to do is, first? Adjust. So this I am adjusting, opening the bracket. So it will be p square x square p square x square minus 2xyp minus 2xyp plus y square minus a square p square minus b square. See here class. This ap square is here. This is as it is. So this I have taken this here. So this is a minus b whole square. So y minus px whole square equal to a square p square plus b square. If you square is there, if you root both the sides, Square the root getting cancels. Y minus px equal to square root of a square p square plus b square, or y equal to px plus a square b square, please. What is this? It is in the form of y equal to xc plus xy dash f of y dash. So general solution is y equal to xp xc plus f of c. So this is y equal to c, p equal to c. So a square c square plus b square, which is the Clairaut solution. Okay, general solution of Clairaut's equation. One more problem of the type, same type. Sine px into cos y equal to cos px into sin y plus p. Here I am writing sin px cos y minus cos px sin y equal to p. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b. Sin of a minus b px minus y equal to p. Px minus y equal to p. What I am doing is small thing here. This sign taking to this side. So px minus y equal to sin inverse p. Or y equal to y equal to px minus sin inverse p. Now it is in the standard form. So therefore general solution is y equal p equal to c. So cx minus sin inverse c is the general solution of Clairaut's equation. So we have done trigonometry also. Next, the last one. Solve px minus y into x minus py equal to 2p using transformation x square equal to u and y square equal to v. X square equal to u, y square equal to v. So here x square equal to u. So 2x dx equal to du and y square equal to v. 2y dy equal to dv. So what is our p? P is dy by dx. What is dy? dv by 2y. What is dx? du by 2x. 2 getting cancels. So this will reduce to x dv y du is our p. Now this all the values. What is p? We are substituting. What is p? Here putting the value of p. P is nothing but this one. You see, p is nothing but this one. So putting in the given equation, this is the given equation. So put 2 in 1. Put 2 in 1. So this is, what is your p? P is x x dv by y du. Already x is there, so it becomes x square minus y. X minus y as it is. What is p? X dv y du equal to 2. What is your p? What is your p? X dv by y du. Y du. Y du. So now what we are doing here, taking y common, x square dv du minus y square. If you take the LCM, this is 1 by y. Again, this y getting cancelled. This is y getting cancelled. So here x. So if I take x common here, if I take x common here, if I take x common here, 1 minus dv by du equal to 2x dv by du. Y. Denominator this y, this x cancels. So what we are getting? What we are getting here? X square dv. Let dv by du equal to p1. So if I take p1, what is our x square? X square is u, y square is v. So x square is u p1, y square is v, minus 1 minus p1, 1 minus p1 equal to 2p1, 2p1. So up1 minus v equal to 2p1, 2p1 by 1 minus p1, 1 minus p1. You see a little bit confusion, but I am trying to make it as simple as possible. So now we want v equal to up1 minus 2p1 by 1 minus p1, which is in the Clairaut form. So p1 equal to c. That is our answer. So what is v? Our v is y square. So y square equal to cx square minus 2c by 1 minus c. Or if you cross multiply, 1 minus c y square equal to c into 1 minus c of x square minus 2c. 2c minus 2c. Yeah, or that's it. That is the general solution, general form of the Clairaut's equation. So that's it. A little bit long one, but this is also one of the Clairaut's form. One more problem, the last one. So I want to cover all the types. So when you come to my channel, you should get everything. say if any problem is there, type it should go e to the power of 3x p minus 1 plus p cube e to the power of 2y equal to 0. So e to the power of x equal to, take it u, e to the power of y, take it as v. So e to the power of x dx equal to du, e to the power of y dy equal to dv. So we want p. What is p? P is nothing but dy by dx. P is nothing but dy by dx. So what is your dy? What is your dy? You see, dx equal to du by e to the power of x. Dy equal to dv by e to the power. So this will be e to the power of x dv, e to the power of y dy, which is equal to e to the power of x is u, e to the power of y is v, and dv by du. dv by du is p1. So now our question reduces to putting the value of p1. So our question e to the power of 3x. What is e to the power of 3x? So p equal to p1. Here in the number 1, let me put in the number 1. This is number 2. Putting the value of p1, putting the value, put the value of p from 2 in 1. From 2 in 1. So this will be this is e to the power of 3x is e to the power of 3x. U e to the power of x is u. So e to the power of 3x is u cube. So what is your p? U by v p1 minus 1 into u cube plus p cube. What is p cube? U by v p1 whole cube e to the power of 2y is v square equal to 0. Equal to 0. U p1 minus p by v into u square plus u cube by v cube p1 cube v square equal to 0. A little bit confusion, but if you practice 1 or 2 times, it will be easier. So u square this is u cube, not u square. So now what shall we do? This is v square, the power v getting cancels, and this u cube by v, if you take answer, will be u p1 minus v, this one, and this one p cube equal to 0. AB equal to 0. If A is not equal to 0, B equal to. u cube by v is not equal to 0. So this one equal to 0. Product of zero divisor theory. Zero divisors. So u p1 minus v p1 cube equal to 0. Or v equal to or v equal to or v equal to or v equal to u p1 plus p1 cube. What is v? V is nothing but e to the power of y. V equal to e to the power of y equal to u is e to the power of x, p1 is c plus c1 cube, which is the general equation in the Clairaut's form. Solving Clairaut's equations. So this is about the Clairaut's. One more thing. Let me say you one more thing. This is last two problems are with the transformation. Before the problems we have done, these were the simple problems. What was the problem? Let me repeat. So the Clairaut's form is y equal to x y dash plus f of y dash. This is the Clairaut's equation. So Clairaut's solution will be y equal to xc plus f of c. That means indirectly y dash equal to c we are writing. Sometime y dash equal to p. What is p dy by dx? This also we have done. That's it. So simple. This is the Clairaut's equation. This is the Clairaut's solution. We are adjusting the steps according to the problem. First three problems were very simple. Last two problems, a little bit adjustments are there because there is a transformation. X equal to u and y square equal to v. We have done one transformation. Another transformation we have done e to the power of x equal to u and e to the power of y equal to v. With that, we did adjusted. We took then after adjustment, it came into the Clairaut's form. Then we have applied the Clairaut's solution. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos like the difficult topics like this. I'll try to make as simple as possible. Thanks for watching.